Since 2002, Ryanair and 15below have worked together to support the airline's growth from 11 million passengers to more than 200 million each year. At our recent customer conference, we spoke with David Wall, Customer Service Transformation Manager at Ryanair, who discussed how the partnership has evolved to scale passenger communications, improve operational efficiency, and support innovation across the travel journey.
So we were one of the inaugural partners of 15below back in 2002. We've worked with them through all major disruptions throughout Europe in that time, from volcano ash to the latest COVID pandemic to latest ATC strikes. We've always been working with the 15below team here to digitalise and automate all our processes to smooth customer experiences during disruptions. Yeah, so as we grow to 300 million passengers by 2034, we're really eager to look and explore the AI solutions and technologies that 15below are looking to introduce. During COVID, it was identified that we needed to have a more streamlined digital process for our schedule change workflow. So we adopted the workflow manager that 15below offer, where all of our schedule changes are processed automatically. They're categorized by the workflow manager based on our own business rules, and we can then send out comms automatically through email and push adoption. That's allowed us to be able to streamline our headcount during disruptions and saved us an awful lot of money on headcount. We were able to definitely reduce about 2 to 3 headcount. We used to actually record all schedule changes manually in a hardback copy books back in the day. With introducing Workflow Manager, we were able to get rid of all them manual processes. Once scheduling and process all the changes, we had our business rules signed off, so if everything was met according to criteria, emails were sent seamlessly and the passenger got the information straight into their hand. Yeah, so 15below is again another digital touch point that we have that we mainly use for our customer service team here. They sit alongside our app and our email, so they're every push that we send through 15below, that's going directly into the app, into our travel assistant. So they're heavily involved as one of the main key stakeholders in our digital touch points. Within the day travel assistant that we have in our Ryanair app, we heavily use the 15below solution for our push messages for refreshment vouchers, and that information, once sent through the 15below service, goes directly into the travel assistant app for customers to be able to see all the information in one area. If you have your automated comms working as seamlessly as possible, you're able to then sit any automated notification alongside a manual comm to be able to give bespoke information to customers while their flight is disrupted. So you're giving that more personalised message along with the automated message, which is key to be able to manage a disruption effectively. We're using digital refreshment vouchers since around 2016 with iCoupon, and 2 years ago we adopted the integration directly between iCoupon and 15below to further streamline the process and an issuance of vouchers. So we have our own business rules that we have built and approved by the business. Based on that, information is sent to 15below to call iCoupon to generate the digital vouchers, and once that information gets received back, 15below will then connect to our Navigator system, process the push and SMS comms to the passengers, and you're just improving the process there, removing that manual intervention so the guys in the OCC can concentrate on the more sensitive cases that need a bit more personalised management. Yeah, so CSAT scores is a main metric that we measure in Ryanair, and 15below have been really crucial sitting alongside there, automating the disruption comms that we have, giving people real-time information into their palm of their hand. And with the automation that we have with 15below, we've been able to guarantee that comms are going to passengers when they need to be. So that has obviously increased our CSAT score dramatically. And we also use multi-channel for a variety of our comms. So not only will we send an email, we'll also accompany that with a push or an SMS, and we'll also even accompany them with manual comms through our day of travel assistant, where we're giving the reasons for the delays or the disruption. So we have a multi-channel approach depending on the disruption, which is really key to be able to maximise any customer experience that we need to do for disruptions. So apart with all the technology that 15below offer, their customer support and their dedicated teams that they have on hand to give us hands-on approach, reviewing processes and doing that process mapping is really key. A lot of providers obviously can develop whatever automation you need. However, that personalised sit down that you get from the account management team, the developers, is crucial to be able to get 15below to identify where the key needs are that you need to address and then obviously solve them problems.